Rightio guys, now today what we're going to do, we're going to make some delicious chocolate chip cookies. So right, I've started off with me fucking your bowls. You get them out, you got to get your bowls, you always got to start off with bowls. Then you come over here, get your delicious Betty's cookies, Cockers, milk chocolate chunk cookie mix. Oh yes, you got some how to do it and shit. And then what you got to do, you get that, fucking drop kick that shit over there somewhere. Fucking, we don't need that shit. So, once you've drop kicked your fucking baby mixture shit that you've used to make biscuits or some shit when you don't know how to bake, you get some of these ingredients out. Get cocoa, because the chocolate chip part. You get this baking soda or some shit. Get that fucking shit out. Got your sugar. Get some of that shit. You need sugar, man. Jesus. And then we got this icing sugar, it could be baking powder. We'll see when we put it all together. That's his icing sugar, but that is in fact actually flour. Pretty good labeling here. So, get some of these bowls and move some shit. No, we'll get me some fucking some of this, and you put an amount. Who the fuck cares? It's just gonna be cookies in the end, aren't they? Get some of this shit. So what you want to do is you want to fucking spoon it on in to the bowl, and you got to get enough that you think it's enough. I mean, we've got to be making some cookies here. You got to get. Oh, this is fucking taking too long. Just chuck it on in there. That should do. Should be enough flour. I'm not gonna be making too many. This is just so just chuck that on in. Oh, we don't really need the other fucking bowls at this point. Just gotta unscrew this. Fucking get that shit open. Yes, one-handed opening shit. I can do that. So I'm just taking the cap off, and you gotta. Who the fuck cares about measuring at this point? Just fucking pour that shit in. Probably got too much. They're probably gonna rise a lot, but we'll see what the fuck happens with these cookies. I'll do the cap up. You gotta fucking open this shit. It's got quite a lot in it, but we'll chuck that in there. Just chuck it in there. Yep, you got some. That's the chocolate chip part right there. All good for the chocolate chips. We'll put some sugar in, don't we? So sugar, you're gonna get a lot of this shit. Gotta make it fucking taste good, don't you? So you just pour that shit in there. Don't know why it's chunky. Or more than that, Oh, there we go. That's enough sugar. So, and then you put all these powders in. You put fucking lids on these shit. Get the lid. Yeah. Nope, I failed shapes. So, I gotta put the other fucking lid on. Put these, flour went everywhere just in. Put all these shit off to the side. So these are all the ingredients you need, whatever that is. So, we need, we get some milk. Some milk. I think it's milk. It could be water. Either one. I don't know. Then, first, we gotta get. There we go. Gotta do some shit with it. Gotta mix it up or something. You gotta. I don't know. Yep, it looks like it's kind of mixed or something. I don't know. It's doing something. They're all powders, and they're all together, and it doesn't really matter once you put the milk in, I think. So we're going to put the milk in. Some dairy milk, not vegan or soy or other milk. So you pour that shit in, whatever amount you want, and then you mix it around. It's probably a little runny, but it should be right. So you just got to give it a bit of a, mix around, I'll put some more powder in, actually. Put some more flour in, I think. It's a little runny, So get some of this. You put that in. This is how you make cookies, chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So, give it a mix. And, yeah, I'll just be back in a sec for like part 2, I guess, but it's an edited thing, so it doesn't really matter. But yep. Okay, so all I did was, well, just said I needed to mix it around a bunch. So now that you've mixed it around a bunch and you've got the milk and you just put the cap on that and shit. So all I did was I just made sure it was all mixed through. And this is the consistency you want. Make sure that. So now that you got that, you go to your oven, turn it on to something. Yep, that's about right. And then what you do, you come over here and you need to get where is it? Gotta find it. Yeah, here it is. Not that. This. Yeah, this. Oh, jeez. I'll just be back in a sec. Once you've got your blender out, yep, you get your blender. And then what you gotta do, come over here, grab yourself an onion, and then you gotta take the skin off. So I'm just gonna do that. Once you've cut your onion and all the ends off and you've peeled it and you've gone for the layers and you've carved yourself to sleep, you put that into there. Yeah. Yeah, we put that into there, and then what we do, we open this bad boy up. Give me a sec. Now once you've opened shit with two hands instead of one, because you're using the other one to record, yeah, I'm just mixing this together or something. Yeah. And then you want to pour this in. I'm going to do that because with two hands, because I can't do it with one. Okay, so once you've poured in your mixture with two hands, like a normal person, except you're not making a video, you come over here, grab a banana. Yep. And then you open that banana. Oh, jeez. Okay, I gotta open the banana. Once you've begun opening the banana, I don't know why I don't finish it, but whatever. Get that banana open. Get that banana open. You then just keep taking the skin off, as it turns out, and you just gotta mash that in there. Get it in there. It's in there. Come over here. You get some of this shit, and then you open it up, and then you just pour that in there, like before the other shit. So pour that in. You grab some nuts. We get some macadamia. Oh, the cashew nuts. I can't see nuts. You get some nuts. Chuck those bad boys in there. Remember, we're making chocolate chip cookies. Remember, come over here and grab from down here. Fucking ice cream. You know, once you've managed to grab your ice cream, come over here and you get the fucking this shit, the scoop. Open the bad boy up. This is a chocolate chip cookie. Chocolate. What the fuck is the opening? It's over here. I know how to open shit. Just got one hand, so you gotta scoop this shit out. Okay, we're scooping ice cream out. And then you plop that in there. So now that you've put your ingredients in, we'll check that over there. You got your ingredients. You want to put the cap on. It's a life lesson I've learned. Put the fucking cap on, and then jam the lid on. So you got all your ingredients in there. Flip this fucking switch. Oh, look, it lights up, and there's no baking setting, so we'll just put it on high pulse. That it's really going, guys. So while this does this, I'll just pause. So once it's done to about whatever it can do, because it's a blender, it's not gonna do best. Take the fucking lid off. My god, I hate fucking lids with one hand. Fucking, how do people do it? Yeah. Okay, give me a okay, so once you've done that, you get a glass. You got a glass. And then you get this. Hopefully the onion's cut up though. And then you pour on in. fucking, I think the onion's cut up. See, then you drink it. Oh. 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 Look at that. Oh, jeez. Look what we've done. We've made these cookies. 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 Yeah. Ah. Mmm. Good. We made cookies. Yep.